Lemon water is a drink made by mixing lemon juice with water. You can drink it by squeezing half a lemon into a glass of water. The nutritional value per 100 grams. Calorie 22 kilocalories. Carbohydrate 7 g. Fiber 0.12 g. Protein 0.35 g. Oil 0.24 g. Sodium 0 g. Vitamin A 6 IU. Vitamin C 39 milligrams. Potassium 103 milligrams. Calcium 6 milligrams. Iron 0.08 milligrams. Magnesium 6 milligrams. Researchers found that women who consumed more lemons or lime juice during the day had lower systolic blood pressure. Pregnant women can take advantage of the scent of essential lemon oil to reduce their morning sickness. In addition to boosting immunity, it has also been shown to have positive effects on rheumatism, arthritis, gout, hypercholesterolemia, atherosclerosis, and high uric acid levels. With the amount of vitamin C it contains, about half of the daily vitamin C needs of an adult are met. Lemon has an anti-edema effect due to its high citric acid content. Thanks to the calcium and citric acid in lemon juice, the formation of kidney stones is prevented. Daily consumption of lemon water strengthens the immune system and reduces the risk of developing diseases. The antioxidants in lemon juice protect the body against free radicals. In addition to increasing digestive enzyme production, the citric acid in lemon juice can also balance stomach acid levels. The vitamin C in it contributes to a healthy and glowing skin by increasing collagen production and maintaining skin elasticity. Consumption of foods containing vitamin C has been shown to speed up metabolism, which leads to more calorie burning. Flavonoids and limonoids can lower the level of cholesterol in the blood. Lemon contains a high content of vitamin C, which promotes the strengthening of blood vessels and kidneys. The potassium content of lemon supports the proper functioning of the kidneys, promotes faster removal of waste and toxins through urine. Thus, lemon helps to cleanse the body naturally, improving kidney and liver function. Lemon contains high amounts of vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, folic acid and fiber, and lemon also contains flavonoids, which are a powerful antioxidant. Flavonoid cell regeneration, vascular health protection and prevention of the formation of cancer cells. Lemon has antiseptic properties. With this feature, lemon protects and beautifies the skin. With lemon, you can reduce skin blemishes and sunspots caused by pimples and acne. Lowers high blood pressure. In addition, lemon juice can help eliminate bad breath and support gum health when used as a mouthwash. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is essential for the production of collagen, which protects bones and cartilage. Lemon juice contains magnesium, which is necessary for the absorption of potassium and calcium. Potassium supports bone health by protecting the body's calcium stores by neutralizing metabolic acids. Lemon is a powerful source of potassium and calcium. It contains a large amount of vitamin C. It is a cure for dozens of ailments, from reducing the risk of heart attack to preventing the formation of kidney stones, from inflammation to infections, from eye health to hair, tooth and even nail health, from constipation to blood pressure. To strengthen the immune system, mix a little honey and half a lemon juice in a glass of water and drink it every day. This will make you more vigorous and energetic. If you liked the video and didn't subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.